Okay, so what are we gonna say here?
Shampoo!
Ah, I see. Okay.
20% more grease.
Okay, let's show us how it works. There.
Okay. 20% more
Oh no, not on this floor, not on the floor. On the on there, because that's clean. Now on here it's clean, yeah. So show us how this works.
Because rub it, and it's still the same. That's how good shampoo is.
Is it ShamWow or Shampoo?
Wow.
ShamWow Pow?
Oh look, you can even wipe it on your face and 20% germs get inside.
What's this thing over here? Can you demonstrate that?
Oh, this is the shampoo towel.
Okay.
You just put it.
What do you do with it? Do you wear it or do you what?
You
what do
wear it as a cape and save the city.
Yeah.
And then you eat it.
Okay, I want you to be like the ShamWow guy. Do something that he would have done.
So you put it in your mouth, and you put it, and you take it out, and you wipe it on your neck, and you clean that purge, and look, it still does nothing. Well, that's how bad shampoo is.
All right.
Oh.
What was that? Oh, shoot. Well, there it is, folks. And there's the other one. I liked it on your head, actually, the best. But
Oh, and by the way, you can die because you can just eat one corner of the towel and bam, you're dead.
lovely.
Yeah,
So what do you think of the ShamWow guy, Shampoo guy?
I think he's awesome that he's selling shampoo that doesn't even work.
I see. Okay.
So
Great.
see you later. Oh, and by the way, put it in your mouth productions.
Put it in your mouth productions. Ah. All right. So this was Nicholas with ShamWow or Shampoo or whatever you want to say. So that's your commercial.
And look. It's not here. It's not nothing.
Okay. I think we're gonna stop right here. So say
Bye, folks. And I hope you have a bad time.
Oh, that's great. Thanks. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right.